Hello everyone, as you can see here the Xiaomi M1903 F10Z. This is called a Xiaomi 9T. As you can see the camera lens is broken. Accidentally somehow it's broken and we must need to replace it, otherwise the picture quality comes very poor. By the way, this is the replacement. I bought it from eBay for £5 okay, and it took about 7 days to come from Spain to London. So now we're going to turn it off and we'll replace it. Okay, so I need to enter the PIN number. Now we're going to turn it off. Let's check the model anyway, because they always use two short model and the complete model. Okay, so now we're going to go to settings and check. This is called MI9T, as you can see. Okay, so if you go to settings, then all the way down to about, then you can see the phone model number is 90. Okay, so let's it turned off. Now I need a hair dryer. I'm going to apply some heat in there. Okay, I kept the sound very low. Otherwise, it makes a big sound. You know, the hair dryer when you turn on is similar to Hoover. Okay, so warm it up. Let it on. Okay, when it's hot, try to use your tweezer or something like that, and slowly take it out. You know, all those are broken glass, so you need to be very careful. Okay, so I'm looking for the thin one, most thin and skinny, so easily it goes underneath the glass, uh, through the adhesive, and I can peel it off. Remember, the much more hot, it's easy to peel it off. Okay, and when the temperature goes down, it's very difficult. Okay, as you can see here, it's coming off slowly. All right. Okay, again, we need to put some more temperature, more heat. All right. Again, and make sure you got the safety goggle, because you know these small piece of glasses are really dangerous for your eyes. This is a potential hazard, you know. So make sure you do have the safety goggles. If you don't have, you can use even sunglasses, you know, whatever it is. But it's better to have one of them, you know. So it's almost taken out. I'm cleaning just the adhesive. I believe they use double-sided tape. It's no any other adhesive, too easy to clean. Now we're going to take a brush and give it a clean. As you can see, I'm cleaning it. Make sure there is no dust. Because of the lens was broken, obviously there are a lot of dust, you know, sandy dust. So I always use this soft brush to clean it off. Okay, all right. So now I need to double check if there is anything left over. Right. Seems everything's clean. Now I'm going to take the replacement, and before I put it on, I just use kind of uh, alcoholic cleaner. Yeah, all right. I'm going to let it dry for a couple of seconds. It's going to dry. And also I'm cleaning the lens. As you can see, there are some dust. Okay. Okay. So this is the actual replacement. I'm going to peel off one side. There is some identical difference in between front side and back side. Okay. Easily you can see the back side always comes with kind of a white border. So make sure the border goes in. Okay. If you make a mistake, then obviously you're going to get different reflection on the camera. Make sure you do the right thing. Okay. I always put like kind of double-sided tape. Okay. And when double-sided tape applied, just put it on and push it, check all the way, give it a small rub, and it doesn't come off, as you can see, which is great. It looks clean and flat. I'm going to go back to camera and check. As you can see, it's quite clear. There is nothing wrong, and we could say successfully the camera lens glass shield already taken out and replaced. So that was a simple attempt, to be honest, and simple repair. I hope you don't have any question, but if you do have any, please don't forget to leave a comment below, and please do subscribe, so in that way you can have some more future videos and I can get to 1000 subscriber. That is the minimum target for now on. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.